Hey guys, just walking around my neighborhood, hoping I don't get caught by some retard trying to get me. My dad, I was trying to beg to my dad to walk around. What? What's up? Yeah, just wait. Okay, we're back. Just need to talk to my friend over there. Oh my god, I gotta close that garage. Just for a second. Wait, let me get my ball first. Should be around there. What's that goddamn ball? That's not shit I do. I could turn that thing on. I don't know where my ball went. I think I got jacked. No. Some wires right there. I think we got another visitor. I think that's 7. Hey Jacob! Jacob! Wanna be on YouTube?
Huh?
Hi Jacob.
Hi.
Wanna be on YouTube?
Sure.
Okay, say random stuff.
Random stuff.
Want me to film your dog?
Sure.
Okay, bring Sparky over here. Hey Sparky! Damn it. Come over here. I'm gonna film you, okay buddy? Don't you pee on me. Hey, watch where you're peeing. Watch where you're peeing. Yeah. Found a flower right there. Oh, that they're coming out. Trying to find a ball. What could it be? So I'm gonna stand right here. Ah, damn it. Bad phone is gonna fall off. Damn it. Fuck is my ball? Oh, Kim, it's not this ball, it's more smaller. This is soft ball. Touched. What the hell? I'm gonna ask. So yeah, I gotta stop this video at around 7 minutes. Look over there. Now over there. Damn. Look at this goddamn bumblebee. Fucking bumblebee. So close. If that bird shit at me, I would fucking shoot it. Where the fuck is that goddamn fucking ball? There's a hole right there. Thing. Damn, it's so high in here. Oh, shit. Here, I'm gonna go around the block. So just wait. Okay, we're back. What could that be? Let's go see where the fuck he is. Peter! Peter! I'm gonna go see him. He's over there. I'm just gonna walk away. Is that even Peter? I'll be right back. Okay. Need to get money first. Got my wallet in my pocket, and we're ready. Fucking bee. Not bee. Bug. Go across the street and get some food. Yeah, I'm kind of slow right now because I just ran the street like 2 times and I'm really tired right now. Gotta make sure that some dude doesn't get me since I'm walking by myself with money on myself, or on me, or whatever. Let's take a turn here. Even though there's no cars, I think I should be able to go here. Let's go. Perfect. And let's just go around. Dog. See a douchebag? Yeah, gotta make sure dogs don't see me. Just walking by here. Tweet. Okay, be right back. Okay, we're finally here. Time to get some food again, because I just went here.
That's good.
So, yeah. Can I get a hot dog? Yeah. Maybe a soda too. Yeah. Hmm?
Oh, that's good. A lot of work. You know? You don't like playing numbers? Huh? Well, you don't want to claim what? Oh, right. Really? $2.57. No kidding. Wow. Right.
Sorry, I could get. Take a long time, so I'm just gonna drink some crap and see you guys later. Okay, got my goddamn food. Yeah, like Coke. That's right. Yeah, I'm on the way to my house. That better been a goddamn rock. Cause if that was fucking shit, I'm gonna fucking kill those fucking birds. Gotta take a bath later. Fuck. It's the worst video I've ever made. Fucking shit on my head. Hoping it's not fucking shit. Fucking kill those birds. I have this goddamn gun. Shoot the fuck out of them. I'm fucking tired already. Fuck. I'm on my head. Yeah. Goddamn wind. There's some dog trying to look at sands or something. Not sure. Maybe like its own penis. Cock. Whatever it's called. I don't think he would want to see me eat, even though I could get my hot dog out right now. But I only have two hands here, and there's goddamn Polish flag. Goddamn Polacks. Yeah, anyway. My goddamn adventure has been wasted. See you guys later on a new video. I gotta close that garage. Bye.